This is our custom CNC embroiderer adapted from a standard sewing machine. At its heart is a robust differential core XY gantry powered by two stepper motors and precision linear bearings. Everything is controlled by the MSP 430. Our custom G-code interpreter and motor control firmware ensures seamless movement and accurate positioning within 0.1 millimeters. The process starts by loading fabric into the hoop and positioning it under the machine. With the thread loaded, we're ready to stitch. An encoder wheel and photo interrupter synchronize the needle with the gantry, enabling precise firmware-driven stitching at 2 stitches per second. Our GUI modified from the Ink Stitch suite works seamlessly with the G-code interpreter to command the gantry, upload designs, and monitor progress. The main drive motor only operates when stitch commands are being sent from the client. If connection is lost, the motor safely halts with the needle in the up position. The results speak for themselves. Clean, precise embroidery at the push of a button. Thanks for watching.